All right, folks, before we go on and continue the misery, which is this problem, uh, I'm just kidding. I actually like these because once you know how to set them up, there's nothing that's too challenging. So what I did is, this is the answer I got for the last one, right here. Now I wanted to check it with the answer key. Oops, there's some videos I was looking at. Here's the answer key. The answer key said 16.5, and I thought, uh-oh, one of us made a mistake. Because look here. I got 22.12. This person got 16.5. So why we need to set it up and why I'm asking you to make sure I can see everything. Let's go through her work compared to mine. So for the first part, we both had 24.3. Second part, we both had 1 mole. The next one, this is where there's a discrepancy. I got 141.38 and this person got 189.36. See if there's any other discrepancies. Then 1 mole over 3 mole and 386.11 we just estimated slightly differently. We rounded slightly differently. Mole. So that's the only part that's different. Let's go to the work. All right. Let's see who made the mistake. Was it me or was it this person? So this is the number we're going to be looking at is 141.38 for ZN-NO32. So, all right, I'm just going to double check my work. ZN, I have one of them and it's 65.38. Let me check. Here's my periodic table. Let me find ZN again. 65.38, and there's one of them. Am I confident with that? Yes. 2 times 14 is 28. Yes, let me make sure my n is correct. And remember, I just rounded to 14. And am I confident there's 2 of them? N times 2, yes. And 6 times 16 is 48. Am I confident in that? Let me try that. For some reason, I don't feel confident in that. 6 times 16, 96, and there's where the problem is. Right, so I was off right there. That's where my problem was. I did 6 times 16 equals 48, and that is way off. It's 96, and just to double check that again, I will do 6 times 16 equals 96. So now let me change that and see if we get the same number. I'm going to do 96 plus 28 plus 28 plus 65.38, 189.38. Let's see if that's what the answer key got. Yep, just a slight difference, but not it's probably a rounding error, or we just estimated slightly differently. So that's where the problem was. I did make a mistake, so you can go ahead and assume that this one is correct, and I will also change it. But my last video took me 15 minutes, so I'm not going to start from scratch. It's okay. I would have gotten probably a 9 out of 10 on that question, even with my mistake. Cool?